Hey friend, welcome back to Stay at Homepreneur. Or if this is your first time here, I'm Chloe, and I am so glad you are here today. I wanted to take a moment today to share the real reason I started this channel. Not just to teach business tips, but to show you why I am so passionate about helping others turn what they love into what they do. Because I believe that work shouldn't just be something that drains us. It can be something that fills us. Like many of you, I've worn lots of hats, balancing family, home responsibilities, and dreams. And there were so many times I wondered if there was even space left for my own passions. I used to sit there thinking, maybe one day I'll get to that idea, or maybe when life slows down. But deep down, I knew that day might never come unless I made it. And so I decided to make it. I wanted to create something meaningful, not just for myself, but for people just like you, who are sitting there with incredible ideas and talents, wondering how to make it all work. I truly believe everyone has something they love doing, something that lights them up. And I also believe you can turn that into a paid passion. Life is way too short not to enjoy what you do and actually get rewarded for it. Stay at Homepreneur is my way of proving that you don't need to be an influencer. You don't need a massive following, and you certainly don't need everything figured out to make this work. What you do need is curiosity, creativity, and maybe a little help along the way. And that's what this community is here for. And yes, you might have noticed the detective theme woven throughout. That comes from my love for Sherlock Holmes, and honestly, just the fact that I have always loved solving mysteries. And let's be honest, building a business, finding your niche, and figuring out how to get paid for what you love often does feel like a mystery. But don't worry, we are going to crack the case together, clue by clue. This channel is all about community, growth, and making things happen at your pace, in your own way. I'll be sharing what I learn as I go, including my own behind-the-scenes journey to YouTube monetization. You'll get honest insights, practical tools, and creative encouragement every step of the way. And speaking of getting started, I have put together a free printable for you called Detective's Case File, Passion to Profit, which you will find linked right below. It's a simple but powerful first step to help you begin investigating what could be your own paid passion. More than anything, I hope this channel feels like a place where you're not just learning, but where you feel like you belong. Because honestly, it is so much easier to figure things out when you're not doing it alone. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What's something you enjoy doing that you would love to turn into a paid passion? Leave me a comment below. I read them all. And always seize the day you deserve.